Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to remove text from videos using Capcut freely. To begin, create a new project in the Capcut app and import the video from which you want to remove the text. In my case, I'll be removing the text of this video. First, take a screenshot of the video frame containing the text you want to remove. Then, crop the area around the text. Next, don't go to any website. I have tried many websites. Mostly were paid and their results were not good. I am attaching the link of this website. It is totally free and very effective. Once you are in, simply drag the screenshot or simply upload the picture. Using the brush tool provided, carefully mark all the text you want to remove. If the result isn't perfect, you can repeat the process until you're satisfied. Once all the text has been successfully removed, now simply click on Download. Now, return to the Capcut app and add the edited screenshot image to your project. Place the image over the video. If you are using mobile, you can use overlay method. Align the image with the main video, adjusting its length accordingly. Next, open the mask menu and select the rectangle option. Drag the rectangle mask over the area where the text was removed and adjust its size until it covers the text perfectly. And there you have it. You've successfully removed text from your video without blur using Capcut. And that wraps up this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching,